Right, good morning guys and girls. I've already set out the daily levels, so we're working on yesterday's previous day levels and today's open. The previous day value area high and the previous day high are exactly the same levels, so the rest you can just record. Right, before we continue, just zooming out a little, just bear in mind we've got this trend line which is going to act as resistance coming up soon. Just keep that in the back of your mind. And then we've got a channel that we've, let me just hide that trend line, so we're nicely back into that channel. And then we've got one other more local channel that we've been looking at. Don't quite like that. I would have wanted the second bottom touch to be more perfect than that, but anyway, let's just keep it there and keep an eye on it. Okay, having a look at a slightly mid-term range here. So that little area there is the range we've been talking about just above us. So we're like sneaking in there now, but I think the crucial part will be this claiming that point of control of that area. So we're right on there now. So if we break that, I think we might have a bit of resistance at the top of that range, but it was a short range. So I expect us then to go to this bigger range at the top there. So we might look for a swing failure pattern there, but I think that will be the bigger resistance will be there. Not necessarily resistance, but there will be stop losses there for liquidity, and we might see another drop down back to these, maybe to the top of this range here. Now that's just my zoomed out view for the day. Zooming in a bit, there's some single prints there. I'll just click on that one so you can get those values, and this one you get those values. So that single print carries a little bit more weight. It's a bit higher time frame than this one. Just some background info, and you'll see we've got some weekly resistance here, so maybe we've got some support back down to this area around here. Sorry about that, around this area. But if we break these highs here, I think we're going on to the next into the next range. Obviously we've still got this support down here. Just want to add one more thing before we end the session for today, the anchored VWAP. Yeah, there it is. Just zoom out a little bit. See how that anchored VWAP has been really good resistance up to now. So we've been showing strength to go through. So once we break that and retest it, so go through, retest it, and then go up, I'm sure then we'll be good to go to the next range. And let's see what the day holds in store. So I'll be traveling the next week or so. But I'm sure I'll be able to just share the important levels for the days. Right, it's been a shorter session. I'm leaving this morning, so I'll check with you again tomorrow.